weighs about 18 ounces, and I loved his line when he said, he told us, I wasn't exactly the fastest guy, so really not slow. Hard to tell, What Welker say, he went from slow to slower. Plays fast. Lights out fast. Trying to drive for the Dodge touchdown. After 3 quarters, surprise in Foxborough. The Bills lead by 7 on Monday.
Robotic human surrogates combine the durability of a machine with the grace and beauty of the human body. With most people living their lives through their surrogate cells, our world has become a safer place. You can finally live the life you've always dreamt of.
I think we may have a homicide here. The public cannot get the idea that using a surrogate can be fatal. Especially if it's true. I want to know how an operator can be killed by signals from a surrogate. Lucky to be alive. Good thing you're unplugged.
Good job! Yay! Good job, Josh. Good job. Thank you. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye.
Rated PG-13 in theaters September 25th.
Joshua.